Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Lainey if you're new here. Thanks for clicking on this video. Today we're going to be talking about how you can make any outfit or any piece in your wardrobe cute. This is basically just my accessories collection, but honestly my accessories are my secret weapon. I tried to do a really basic look right now, and I put my hair back so there were no distractions, and I wanted to show just how much these accessories can spice up an outfit. And before we get any further into this video, I wanted to say thank you so much to Karma for sponsoring this video. I've worked with Karma a few times now, and I absolutely love sharing what they can do for you guys. So Karma is an app and a Chrome extension that ensures you never miss a price drop or a coupon code, so make sure to check out that link below in the description box. I'll touch on how they help me save a little bit of cash in a minute, but let's get into the accessories. So the first thing I want to talk about are something that's really easy and I feel like can be missed when we're thinking of putting an outfit together, and that's sunglasses. 3 pairs of sunglasses that are my go-tos. Honestly, putting them on can completely change the look of my outfit. I used to just be someone who had my sunglasses in my car. I'd only use them for practicality, but now they are a part of my outfit. You could be wearing a white t-shirt and jeans and throw on a pair of sunglasses, and depending which style, tint, frame you go for, it can totally change the entire look of a white t-shirt and jeans. So the first pair I have, I guess I'll go from oldest to newest. These are a pair of Matsuda frames. They were actually my dad's, so they are like 30 years old. I think he had them before I was born. These are so cool. I haven't seen a frame like them, so they're just super unique, very vintage inspired. These are like OG cool girl. Every time I wear them, I get so many compliments. Matsuda still makes frames and they're so high quality. This is another vintage pair, but I got these off Depop from a girl who got them on the RealReal. So they were like under $100. They were my first designer thing I ever bought. They're these little tortoise shell Gucci sunglasses. Lenses are super, super dark. I don't like that. I can't see when they're so dark, but these are so cute on the side. The like gold G with the tortoise shell is like my favorite ever. So if I'm having a bad hair day but I want to wear my hair down still, I'll use these as like to push and hold my hair back like a headband because the frames are still so cute. And that's what I mean. These are only an accessory to me. They really don't help me see anything, but they're too cute to get rid of. And then this is my newest pair of sunglasses that I feel like you guys have seen so many times. I can't stop wearing them. I love the lighter frames. This is like an orange color. And I actually got these using Karma. So there were a few different brands of sunglasses like these that I really liked, and I made a list on Karma and was able to compare prices and see which ones were going on sale. And I was actually able to get a discount on these, which was so nice because the other ones I was looking at were like $200, $300, and I got these for $100. These are Vehla, V-E-H-L-A. So make sure to not only check these out, but check out Karma. So if you want to check out Karma and save some cash, it's completely free, so I don't see why you wouldn't want to. On your computer, download the Chrome extension. You can visit any of your favorite stores, and also this little side button you can drag and move around at your convenience. I wish I knew that sooner.
This is the list I made for when I was deciding which pair of sunglasses to get. It really organizes my shopping and helps me not make impulse purchases.
Karma scans the web for coupon codes and applies them at checkout automatically. This is a special feature if you use Karma on your computer, so the Chrome extension is an absolute must. You can get notifications via email or mobile push when an item you've saved goes on sale, has a relevant coupon code, or comes back in stock.
And when you shop from select retail partners, Karma gives Karma Cash to you and to a charity of your choice.
So you can go ahead and get Karma's free Chrome extension through the link in my description box. I will have links or similar items for everything I talk about in the description box below, so make sure to check out all the links, but also check them out using Karma. So those are all the sunglasses I want to talk about. I have a lot more sunglasses, but those are like my 3 go-tos. Next, I feel like this is what you mostly came here for. What I get the most questions on, my jewelry. So I obviously have more jewelry than this, but this is what I wear. I wouldn't say every day because I put on these necklaces when like I'm filming or going out, but day to day I normally wear one or two. But the rest I wear every single day. Let's start with the earrings. First of all, these hoops are from Medina's Jewels. I think they were like under $50. They're gold plated, I think. So I wear them in the water, I wear them like to shower, whatever, swim, and they haven't tarnished at all. I got these like over 2 years ago and they still look like this. They're super light, super comfortable, amazing. A gold hoop completely changes my look. Not even just my outfit, my entire look. Next, behind there, we have a pair of little green butterfly French clip earrings. And I got these when I was like 6 in Italy. A lot of my jewelry my grandparents in Italy get for me, so I can't find exact links to that, but I will do my best to find similar options. This first little chain is just from Italy. It's just a plain gold box chain, and I like that it's a smaller length. Then we have this super dainty necklace with a little diamond in the middle. I got this for graduating high school and I haven't taken it off since. It's from a little Australian brand, something Charlotte. Can't remember exactly. My mom got it for me, but I will try and find it and link it down below. Next, we have this kind of funky one. It has kind of like a heart with an evil eye and a yin yang in it. This is from Rebecca Minkoff. I got it for myself for my birthday. I can try and find it and link it down below. I've been wearing this like in the water and showering, and it started to tarnish on the sides. I've just been wearing it a little bit more infrequently now, but I still absolutely love it. Then going down again, this chain is from Italy from my grandparents. And then the first charm on it is this little like rock-on hand, was what I think of it as, but it's like the Italian like horns. It was my mom's when she was little and she gave it to me. Then on the other side, I have this little gummy bear that is from the brand Vitali. They are such an amazing jewelry brand. They have the funkiest pieces. I have a lot more from them. And they're so high quality, so inexpensive. I wear this entire set all the time. Like, this is the one chain and pendants I don't take off ever to shower, whatever. And they both look brand new. Going down again, I get so many questions about this bad boy. The chain is from Italy and the pendant is from Italy from my grandparents. The funny thing is, most of the jewelry I got from my grandparents when I was little, like when I got this one and I opened it up, I don't want to sound ungrateful, but I thought it was so grandma. I was like, oh my gosh, this is such like an old lady piece. I can't believe like this is what they got me. And now the amount of compliments I get on this is the coolest freaking pendant in the entire world. Like, I can't believe, I don't know, they just nailed it with this one, and I was an ungrateful little brat thinking it wasn't cool. Or I just had no taste. All the above. Okay, then this pendant. The pendant is from Italy again, from my grandparents. And it's just like, or is it? No, it's Mary. But the chain is from Vitali, and I just put the pendant on this one. Okay, to rings. My first little snake ring on my pinky is from Italy, from my grandparents. I think it's just like baby girls get a little snake ring when they're born. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. On my middle finger, I have a chain link ring from Vitali. I have a smiley face ring from Vitali. So good, wear them all the time. And then on this hand, I have a little crescent moon ring from Italy. And then it looks like it's just a band. And this is from Orate. And I get so many questions about this watch. It's a Casio. My brother got this and he then got an Apple Watch, so I stole his Casio, but I love it. On this side, this little chain link bracelet is from Orate. It looks brand new. And then this bigger chain is from Vitali. And that's the jewelry, always iced out. I never understood purses like all throughout college. I hated carrying a purse. I never carried them when I went out, and now I understand how much it can add to an outfit. And not only add to an outfit, but how practical it is. I love being like the mom of the group now. I always have my Tide to Go pen. I have safety pins. I have my hand sanitizer, of course. I have metal straws. I have everything in my purse, and I like it that way. It always feels good to help everybody out. Band-aids, like blister band-aids, keep those in your purse. Oh my god, your friends will love you. A purse, I'm not gonna go into what's in my purse. Okay, so my oldest purse, this is the thing with my purses you're gonna see, is they're all relatively new because I wasn't wearing purses for so long and now they are my everything. This purse, I get so many questions and compliments about this purse, and I can see why. It's actual perfection. It is this vintage leather Harley Davidson kind of tote bag with these really thin long straps. So sturdy, such good quality, and I got it on Depop, I want to say for like under $30. Absolutely insane. I got it because I really liked this like Fendi mesh bag that was this like structured square with the long straps. I liked it because I just liked the structure of it and the build of it. I didn't care that it was Fendi, and I especially didn't care for the price tag on that. So when I found this that I like better than that Fendi bag, oh my god, so good. If you ever come across this at a thrift store, and I know a few of you have because you send me pictures of whatever you at like Salvation Army and you're like, I found the bag. Pick it up, you will be so happy. It fits so much. It has like a little interior pocket. You guys have seen me talk so much about this purse. This is the ultimate, my outfit's boring, let me throw on this purse. This is from an Etsy shop called Virsa Bags. She hand makes all of these leather bags in Greece, and I bought this bag with my own money. I didn't like tell her I was making a video about it or whatever, and the video got back to her and she sent me the most lovely email just like thanking me and telling me about all the people buying her bags from that video, and it felt so good that like I love this bag now because where it comes from is so special to me. My mom has one of these bags now, my grandma. We basically get them for everyone. This is another bag, a lot more toned down, but when I put it on, I get so many compliments and it really totally changes an outfit. And that's this little crochet checkered bag. This is from a brand called Nicolina Clothing on Instagram. Again, everything's gonna be linked down below. First of all, this is just such a nice quality tote bag, but it just adds so much to an outfit. It's so cute, trendy, but again, something that is gonna be timeless to me because of how much I just genuinely love it from the first time I saw it. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw when I cried over this bag. This is from the Vintage Plug on Instagram. She'll be linked down below. She curates all these amazing vintage designer bags, and she actually sent me this little Gucci one, and I cried when I opened it. So this Gucci bag, it's not something that I thought like I'd be drawn to when it's just sitting like this. I don't know, like it's cute, obviously. I mean, I freaking cried when I opened it. But I was like, oh, I don't know about the shape. Was I crazy? The shape is so good. It like sits perfectly like parallel with your shoulder. It almost looks like a backpack right there. But like if I'm going out and I'm wearing this bag, it's like I forget it's there. It is so freaking good. I love this bag. It seems like, oh, it's just like a white, or it's just like a black shoulder bag. It won't add that much. But a shoulder bag, don't knock it till you try it. I'm telling you guys, when you're putting your outfit on, don't take it off or not give it the time of day until you put on every single one of your accessories. Your sunglasses, your bag, your jewelry, and stuff I'm gonna talk about later. I feel like I just have to show this bag. It's a more recent purchase. It's from the brand Glynit, Glynit, I think is what it's called. I kept getting it as an Instagram ad and advertising worked. I loved it the first time I saw it. If you can't tell, I really like a structured bag. Whatever, just like my favorite ever. So I didn't have any like white or cream colored bags, and I thought this would be a really good one for the summertime. And I've been using it, so it was a good purchase. I got a mini Telfar. So I tried getting this little black Telfar on the drop date. They just dropped again like a couple weeks ago. But I was at the orthodontist right when it was dropping. So I texted my brother and I was like, can you please try and get me a Telfar? And he tried and he got through the checkout and it booted him out. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna check like StockX and resale sites, because since there was just a drop of the black Telfar, I feel like the price was gonna go down, and it did. by so much. So on StockX, when I was looking before about like buying a Telfar from StockX like secondhand, they were like around $400, and I just could not justify that, especially because the money wasn't going to Telfar and like supporting them as a brand. I really didn't like that. But then once all the purses dropped again in this colorway, I went on StockX and it was $200. So I got this for $200 opposed to like $160, which is what it ends up being on Telfar. So a $40 difference wasn't that much to me, and I don't have a black crossbody. This is basically just like a mini version of my black Harley Davidson, and I love this one so much, but I wanted a smaller version, so I'm really happy with it. I think it's so cute. Isn't it cute? I feel like the Telfar bag is such a good thing to put on your Karma shopping list. It will tell you when it's coming back in stock or a price drop like from StockX, whatever. So if you've been wanting a Telfar, which I can totally see why you would, put it on your Karma shopping list. Okay, and last but very certainly not least, I wanted to talk about my hats. I don't know if you guys know this, I love hats. Totally change up my look, and I tend to have a bad hair day every day. That's why I either do this or a hat. First of all, I wanted to talk about my merch hat. This one says Ernie's World, which is my dog if you don't follow me. And this is my merch. I've been wearing it all the time. It's got a nasty makeup line on the inside because I'm a fake BITCH. So that style is a bit more of like a baseball cap, but I'm also really obsessed with trucker hats. So I have this one that says Lainey airbrushed on it with like a little cherry, and I got this when I was around 6 years old at a state fair, and it's stuck with me ever since. This hat changes the look of any outfit in the best way possible. And another vintage trucker hat that I have is this one that says Smiles Are Free at the Holiday Supermarket. I found this on eBay and it was like $5. I love this green color, so I thought absolutely. And then this is my newest trucker hat, and I especially wanted to show you guys because you can get it. It says, "Why do I laugh when I cry?" And I think that's so cute. It is my friend Stephanie's merch. I'll link her down below. She's so sweet and sent me this trucker hat, and I've been wearing it nonstop. And a new trucker hat, there's something about it. The structure is so good compared to my old ones. Those are all my go-to accessories that I use to spice up absolutely any outfit. Not only spice up, but like fix any outfit. I would go as far to say that these things can fix your outfit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to check the link in the description box and download Karma for all of your shopping needs. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in a few days. I love you so much. Bye.